Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 1 Series headlight bulb, easy method. Start by parking on level ground, switching off ignition, and opening the bonnet to access the headlight housing. Remove the trim cover and unclip the wiring connector carefully. Take out the old bulb by twisting and replace with the correct type, ensuring the rubber seal seats properly to keep moisture out. Begin by locating the rear access cap on the headlight, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it free. If there are retaining clips or screws, release them slowly while supporting the bulb assembly to prevent dropping components. Keep track of any small screws and springs by placing them in a container. Clean the area of debris before touching the bulb to ensure a secure fit and clear beam pattern after installation. Carefully remove the old bulb by rotating and pulling it straight out, then inspect the socket for corrosion or damage. Unpack the replacement bulb using gloves or a clean cloth to avoid oils on the glass. Align the bulb tabs with the housing slots, push in and twist to lock, reconnect the wiring harness, and test the light briefly before sealing the access cap back on to confirm proper alignment and operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.